Grabe guys, oh.
Is that fish?
My God. Oh,
Yeah, that's fish.
pabaliin natin yan. Guys, tingnan nyo tong ano namin, oh. Dinner namin ngayon, seafood. Nakita nyo yung crabs na yan, oh. Laki.
Oh, I like crabs.
Grabe, oh.
Grabe.
Taba.
Pa!
Buhos natin dito. Guys.
Natin dito.
Ayan, oh.
Tayo na. Tayo want the hot dog of it.
Oh, grabe guys.
Hi, guys.
Kita mo, kita mo. Look at the ipit, oh. Grabe, laki. Oh. Grabe.
Again.
Grabe, oh.
Matuyo yan sa ayan.
That's big, oh.
Sabaw mo ng water.
That one's small.
Let's taste the ano first. The noodles. You want the noodles? Oh.
I want the crab.
Noodles. You want some noodle? Is that?
I want the hot dog inside the crab.
Gusto mo noodles?
I want the hot dog in the crab. I want the hot dog in the crab.
Saka partner yung crabs sa noodles. Ngayon, subukan natin itong grabe guys, oh.
Is that fish?
My God. Oh,
Yeah, that's fish.
pabaliin natin yan. Wow. Woo. Laki. Very yummy. Sip, sip.
I want
Closer.
that one.
Yeah, closer, quick. Grabe guys, yummy? Yummy?
I want the hot dog inside the crab. Inside the legs.
Grabe guys.
I want the hot dog in the crab. I want more.
Grabe. Testingin din natin itong ano, isa pa, oh. Itong oyster.
Oyster? Oyster? Is the oyster moving?
Siyempre, lagyan natin ng ano.
Oyster?
Look, it's gonna move. It's gonna move, oh. Yummy. Panalong panalo. Yummy? Yummy?
After my hands.
Yan si mama, oh. Ma, yung crabs, ayun, oh, laki. Ma, kunin mo yung crabs, yan.
Wow, laki. Busog na ako dito.
Yan, ma. Grabe, ma, ano? Grabe.
Tay, Mama,
Yes.
eat the oysters. Tati, did you like the oysters?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Oysters na
Oh, Tay didn't